guys, I'm making this.
What's that?
To salt for the plants.
What?
Salt for the plants.
Salt?
Salt!
Salt? Can I see?
Making it dry.
Isn't the water gonna dissolve?
Here, there.
Yeah. Put it on the plants. Can I see how it works?
I can't make it first. It's not get soaking.
Pael, why don't you have tadpoles? Why don't you name your tadpoles?
I don't have that one.
They are all in the pond. You name it.
I think I need to put this in the pot so they can breathe.
No, not there. You're gonna kill it. Hey! Pael, PT Customes. Dun-dun-dun-dun. I told you to make it ula. There, make it ula. There by the tree.
Yes.
Not there! It's the gardening PT.
What now? This is mine now.
One. One, let's name your tadpole.
Ew.
Just leave it alone. See, PT had an accident. That's his blood. Oh, his head is burning! His head is burning! Come on, let's name your tadpoles.
Nobody. I already named them.
What's the name? Show us.
I can't hear them because I just know them. I'm stuck. What will you say now? What will you say again?
What?
If it's stuck.
Ah, it's stuck! Help the passengers. Help me! Help me! Help me! Kaya you make tumbling, wala?
I can't.
In the grass?
I can't. It's
Oh,
hard.
Pael, look at the pond, though. It's not dark. It's not black na.
Oh, it's black.
No, but let's go. So,
Adero!